the Noah story is inside of the Epic of Gilgamesh.
Yes.
I believe that is a result of the Younger Dryas incident. In the Epic of Atrahasis, there is this strike of this either an asteroid or whatever it is going to hit. It doesn't specifically say, but they had the ability to stop it. And there's this other disk that has cuneiform writing on it, which is supposedly the direction that this thing took course through space to hit Earth. And so it was kind of known that this was going to happen. And everywhere you look on the Earth around that same time period that this is estimated to happen, megalithic construction stopped. What happened that everyone stopped at the same time, unfinished in the quarry over here, unfinished in the quarry. All of a sudden, around the entire planet, everything is unfinished. Something happened globally that made people stop working on these structures and go to maybe Darren underground base, or in the Americas, that they said the ant people, the Hopi say the ant people took them under. If you couldn't go under and save yourself, you had a ship. We know that Ziusudra in the Epic of Gilgamesh was told how to build the ship, but it wasn't a boat like what we know was said in the Bible. It was actually a disc he was told to build. We found the tablet for that, so we have the tablet in the British Museum. But yeah, these stories are everywhere. It's pretty crazy.